Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about rational algebraic expression. Ang focus natin dito is about illustrating rational algebraic expressions. Okay? So when we say rational algebraic expression, it is a ratio of two polynomials with a denominator not equal to 0. That means may numerator and denominator. Tapos yung denominator, hindi siya dapat mag-equal to 0. Kasi kapag nag-equal to 0, it is undefined. Okay? It's in the form of A over B. So yung A is the numerator, B is the denominator. Where B is not equal to 0. Kailangan yung denominator natin hindi dapat mag-equal to 0. Example, ito 3 over 5. Next, 2x over 3y. 2x plus 1 over x plus 3. And last one, x squared plus 4x plus 4 over x minus 2. So these are all examples of rational algebraic expression. Aside from hindi dapat maging 0 yung denominator natin, ito pa yung dapat nating tandaan. Do not have negative exponent. Okay, example, 2x raised to negative 2 over 3y. Okay, bawal yung negative exponent. So, it is not a rational algebraic expression. Another, do not have fractional exponent. Example, x raised to 2/3 over 4. So, bawal din po ang fraction sa exponent. Do not have variables under a radical sign. So, katulad nito, cube root of x. So, bawal din po yan. Okay? And another, do not have variables in the exponent position. Example, 2 raised to x. So, bawal po yan. No, bawal po yung variable natin nasa exponent. Okay? So, ito yung mga bawal po. So, i-familiarize po natin. Okay? So, let's have 2x plus 1 over x plus 3. So, this rational algebraic expression is defined for all real numbers except negative 3 because the denominator will become 0. So, that means itong x na to, bawal siyang maging negative 3. Dahil kapag naging negative 3 yan, substitute natin negative 3 plus 3. That becomes 0. Another, x minus 1 over 2x. So in this case, this rational algebraic expression is defined for all real numbers except 0 because the denominator will become 0. That means, pag yung x pinalitan niya ng 0, 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So magiging undefined. Next, 2 over x squared minus 16. So, in this case naman, kung mapapansin natin, merong x squared minus 16. So, solve muna natin. X squared minus 16 is equal to 0. So, x squared equals 16. So, square root both sides. So, that means the value of x is positive or negative 4. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin, bawal itong maging 4 o kaya naman negative 4. Okay? Kasi pag 4, substitute natin, 4 raised to 2, that is 16. So, 16 minus 16, 0. So, magiging undefined. Another, kung negative 4 yan, negative 4 raised to 2, that's 16. And 16 minus 16, 0 pa rin. Okay? So, that's the very important rule, no? Yung denominator natin, dapat hindi maging 0. Is that clear? Now, which of the following are rational algebraic expressions? So, comment your answer. Letter or letters of your answer dyan sa ating comment section. And if you have any questions or clarifications, lagay nyo na rin dyan sa ating comment section. Okay? And kung nagustuhan nyo yung video natin, huwag ikalimutan i-click ang like. At kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong videos, tutorial, don't forget to follow. Okay? Thank you so much and See you on the next video.